Okay, friends. So this is now what we are going to do. I will rough this part, theoretical part, and again, see what I am going to do. This is our VPC. Okay, this is VPC, and for this we have 10.0.0.0/16. This is CIDR range for VPC. Then I'm going to create two subnets. You can have 200 subnet in a single region. You can have 200 subnet. So this is subnet 1. So this is public subnet, and this one is private subnet. Okay, for public subnet we have 10.0.1.0/24, and for private subnet we are having this. Okay, 10.0.2.0/24. Okay, so there is one EC2 instance here. Say this is in public subnet, so this is called as public server. Okay, and this one is called as one EC2 instance we are going to create here. So this EC2 instance, let us say name of this is private server. Okay, or you can write web server, data server, like this also. Okay, so this is our agenda. So today's video we create VPC by using Terraform and subnets by using Terraform. Okay, so for that I am going to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, for writing code. Otherwise you can have in your Amazon machine also. Okay, so let me open that folder. Okay, so here this is present in folder D, Terraform project, and then VPC demo. Okay, so here you have to just select this and click on select folder. Okay, I will close this. Okay, so open folder. Okay, done. So do not think about this, simply cancel out this. Okay, so here we create one file. Okay, and here we create VPC and subnet. Okay, VPC and subnet. Okay, VPC subnet .tf. Okay, okay, friends. So here, what you have to do, you have to see we are using AWS provider. Okay, so with the help of AWS cloud, we are going to create VPC. Okay, so first of all, we require to write provider block. Okay, so just simply you have to go. Okay, so here write a Terraform documentation for AWS. Okay, so we copy provider block from this. Okay, so here we have authentication. Under authentication, okay, see we have this provider block. Okay, Okay. Now here I am using North Virginia region. So this is East 1. Okay. So this is the region in which I am going to create VPC. So here you have to provide your access key and secret key. Okay. So here I have stored access key. Okay. So let me copy this. Okay. Then take secret access key as well. Okay, friends. So this is done. Now again go to documentation and search for VPC. Okay, so this is very simple. Just you have to do copy paste from Terraform documentation. Okay, need not to remember this code. Okay, so here we have, see, this is, we have VPC and all these options, all resources related to VPC are available here. Okay, so here, see, here we have option of default VPC also. Okay, so okay, see, here we have this option AWS VPC. Okay, so we click on this and see, here we have block is given related to VPC. Okay, so this is resource block, data is a different part. Okay, then here also we have a resource. Okay, so see, we have different resources available here. Okay, so let me copy out this. Okay, okay, so this is a resource block for VPC. So here this is format. First we have resource, then we have AWS VPC. So always whatever is the cloud provider, so there is name of cloud provider underscore, and then we have a resource name, which is here VPC. Okay, and here you can give any name. Okay, so this is for reference. Okay, so we write VPC. Okay, then here say VPC demo. Okay, and here tags, you can give any tag. Okay, so let us say tag is VPC only. Okay, or you can give same tag, okay, which we provided here. Okay, so here VPC, and let us see, this is VPC slash demo. Okay, and fortunately same CIDR range is over there. Okay, which have decided to take this. Okay, so already if you see this whiteboard, then see, you have, we have decided to take this CIDR range for this VPC 10.0.0/16. Okay, so already we have this 10.0.0/16. Okay, so finish, this part is over. Okay, and here we have CIDR block and instantaneous tenancy is given default. Okay, so here you have to keep this as it is, no change. Okay, so actually there are two options. Okay, but second option we are not going to take for practice. Okay, we use this default. Okay, so okay, now we create subnets. So we are going to create two subnets. Okay, we are going to create two subnets. So again, go to Terraform documentation. Okay, and here you can search for AWS subnets. Okay, VPC subnets. Okay, so we have security group. Where is option of subnet? See, this is a default subnet. See here, we have AWS subnet. Okay. So this is a block for AWS subnet, VPC subnet. Okay. So just simply copy paste this. Okay. In organization also you have to do in the same way. Okay. Need not to remember this blocks. Okay. So we have resource AWS, and let us say this is subnet 1. Okay. So this is subnet 1. Okay. So subnet -1. Okay. Or let us say this is public subnet. Public subnet. Okay. And VPC ID. Friends, see this. Here you have to give VPC ID because subnet is one resource and VPC is another resource. Okay. And we want to create, see, if you see this architecture, okay, within VPC, these two subnets are present. Okay. Public subnet is present within VPC and private subnet is present this within VPC. Okay. So you have to tell Terraform that I want to create this public subnet within this VPC. Okay. So we have this AWS subnet. Okay. Public subnet AWS. Now here we give VPC ID. Okay. And we provide VPC ID like this. Okay. See, we have a resource, whatever is the resource here. Resource is AWS VPC. This is resource. Then you have to write dot. Okay. And then we have to write name of VPC. Okay. And then dot ID. Okay. So this is the way of providing reference. Okay. That means we are telling Terraform, when Terraform create VPC. Okay. Terraform create public subnet. Okay. Then he comes to this line and then Terraform it observe. Okay. VPC ID. Okay. That it has to create this subnet within this VPC whose name is, so here what is we have provided name, this name is provided here, VPC demo. Okay. So this VPC demo you have to write over here. Okay. So write VPC demo. Okay. See here, okay, VPC demo, and you have to write dot ID. Okay. Any doubt? Okay, see, you have to give AWS VPC ID. So this is, see, you have to copy this. Okay, you can direct copy paste this part also. Okay, AWS VPC, that is, this is our resource. Okay, this is the name of resource. Okay, and we write AWS underscore VPC dot VPC demo dot ID. Okay, and here we give name, say public subnet. Okay, here also we give same name, public, suppose dash subnet. Okay, any doubt, friends? Yes, I'm waiting from your side. Please ask if you have any doubt, if you have any confusion.
Kapil sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sir, I want to ask, please, can you go back to the whiteboard, sir?
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, if a VPC falls under 10.0.0.0/16, then the public server and the, I mean, why the network ID has been 24 there, made 24 there,
okay,
if they fall.
Okay,
Yes.
Actually, this is very genuine question. And this question should be in, there should be in every person. Okay. Whoever is studying VPC first time. Okay. So I will come to this point after this session. Okay. Why there
Yes, sir.
is 2424? Okay, 1.0 and 2.0. Okay, so first we finish this, okay, and then we move to that part. Okay, any doubt? Okay, apart of this, any doubt, friends? Okay, this is one genuine doubt. Okay, why this address is like this? Okay, and next one, apart of this. Okay, so friends, as I told you here, we have this VPC, and this availability zones are these subnets are availability zone specific, AZ specific. Okay, so these are created in availability zone. And remember, when we say Mumbai region, okay, and in Mumbai region we have 3 AZ. Okay, that means there are 3 data center. Okay, these
Hello,
are
sir.
3 different data centers. Yes, please.
How to get access key and secret key?
Okay. Actually, there is one option. You can get that from AWS credential. Okay, AWS console. Okay, I will come to that point also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So after finishing this Terraform, okay, please remind these doubts to me. Okay. Okay, students. So here, as I told you, we have these subnets always created in AZ, and AZ are 3 different data center. That means we are saying Mumbai, okay, but we have 3 data centers and they are located in different part of India. Okay, it doesn't mean that they are located in Mumbai only. One of data center may be there in Mumbai. Okay, so other data center, I think one data center is in Hyderabad. Actually, I'm not sure about this. Okay, but they are Mumbai, just it is region, and these are 3 again different data centers. Okay, so I want to create now. If see here, we have not tell Terraform related to AZ. We haven't mentioned availability zone here. Okay, so what AWS do here, it takes data center as per their convenience. Okay, whichever is available at that moment. Okay, so it will be chosen by AWS for us. Okay, so it may be out of 6 region, it may be first availability zone, second availability zone, and so on. Okay, so just first let me show how many availability zones are there. Okay, so see in north region, now actually I'm not going to open console. Okay, see in north availability zone. Okay, see we have this is region US East 1. Okay, and we have US East 1A. This is one availability zone. US East 1B second, then we have 1C 1D like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create one subnet in this region, in this AZ, and second private server, private subnet I'm going to create in this AZ. Okay, so how to mention that? So you have to come in your resource block. Okay, this is body, whatever written in curvilinear bracket, that is called as body. So here we have mentioned VPC ID. Okay, I want this subnet in this VPC. Okay, I want CIDR range. This is IP address. Within this IP address, I want to have I want to create instances. Okay, so we have provided this CIDR block also. Now here write availability zone. Okay, so type AVAI. Okay, now here direct you can see option is there. Okay, so choose this option. Okay, and we write in double quote. Okay, we write US East 1, US dash East dash 1A. Okay, so this public subnet is going to create only in this AZ only. Okay, so this public subnet with this IP address is going to create in this availability zone. Okay, US East 1A. Okay, you can have B, C, D also. Okay, so that's it. Now friends, what we do here, we have this tag. Okay, public subnet, public dash subnet. Okay, intentionally I have made these two name different. This is going to reflect in AWS console, and this is not going to reflect in AWS console. This is for our reference only. Okay, so I'm going to copy same format. Okay, so just copy same. Okay, because I want to create one more subnet. Okay, and that is our private subnet. Okay, so okay, so this is resource AWS subnet, and friends, this is public. Okay, so we have public subnet. So this is, instead of public, let me write private subnet. Okay, and here also we have private subnet. Okay, private dash subnet. Okay, so this is private subnet. Okay, so this is done. And here, what is the ID CIDR range? If you try to run this file, okay, if we apply Terraform apply, then uh, it will not create resources, because two subnets cannot have same ID. Okay, so if you go to this our architecture, then you will observe there is 2 point for private. We have this 10.0.2.0/24. Okay, so this is right 2 here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, any queries in this? Now one more thing, see here we have US East 1A, and this is in US East say 1B. Okay, so for public subnet, we are going to choose availability zone US East 1B, or you can have 1C 1D also, no problem. Okay, any doubt friends? Okay, so finish, this part is over. Okay, so let me save this first. Okay, we have saved this. Okay, and open terminal from here only. Okay, so okay, so friends, first I have to initiate, okay, by using this Terraform init. Okay, so which initialize the backend. Okay, and it provides necessary plugins, okay, which are required to create resources in AWS. Okay, so see here you can observe files are created here. .terraform is there, .terraform log SL. So necessary supported files are created. Okay, so okay, so we are done with this. Okay, Terraform has been successfully initialized. Okay, and then we run Terraform plan. Okay, Terraform plan. Okay, now see we have additional 2 more files are created. Okay, there is tf state. Okay, now see friends, if you observe this here, we have 3 resources. Okay, so this one is first 5 lines represent provider block. Done. Then we have resource, okay, for VPC. So this is one resource. Then second resource which we are creating is subnet, public subnet. And third resource is one more subnet, okay, which is called as private subnet. Done. And you know this is plus sign represent creation. Okay, and we have, see, Terraform will perform the following actions. Okay, let me see friends. So we have ARN, say availability zone. You can see here US East 1B. Okay, see we have this CIDR block range. Okay, and remaining value we can provide by writing over here, just like availability zone. We have mentioned availability zone. So remaining also you can mention, but do not think about that. Okay, first we create VPC subnet, and then we think about this network root table. Okay, so that's it, friends. Okay, so if we write a Terraform apply, okay, okay, so you have to write yes. Okay, and now resources are creating. So in between, let me do login to my AWS account. Okay, okay, so if you go to terminal, then see it is given apply complete, and three resources are added. Okay, so let us check whether they are created or not. Okay, so go to this service VPC. Okay, select VPC. Okay, now friends, see this is in VPC. If you observe, we have two VPCs. Now do remember, always there is one VPC is present there in every region by default. Okay, and just I tell you, there are 6 subnets in North Virginia region. See, this is North Virginia region. There are total 6 availability zone. So 6 subnets are there by default, and we have created 2. Now, if we hit on VPCs, okay, then see we have this VPC demo. Okay, and if you click on this subnets, okay, so you can observe there is public subnet and there is private subnet. Okay, so if you scroll to the left, then see this, these are CIDR range 10.0.1.0/24 and 10.0.2.0/24. Okay, so that's it, friend. And see here you can see US East 1 availability zone, and here you can see US East 1B for this private subnet. Okay, so these resources are created. Okay, resources are created. That's it. Okay, friends. So this demo is over. See, in order to destroy this, okay, again, if we write Terraform destroy, okay, then all resources are deleted again. Okay, so friends, tomorrow what I am going to do, I am going to use same VPC, same subnet. I'm not creating another file. So in this folder only I will show what is NAT gateway, how to create the internet gateway. Okay, so finish. 3 resources are destroyed. Done. Okay, so in the next session we discuss NAT gateway, creation of NAT gateway and internet gateway. Then in the next and if time is there, we will focus on how to create root table association. And in the next lecture, that means 3 lectures are required on this. Okay, we create EC2 instances with security group. Okay,